Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, we have to find the value of this expression. X plus y by x to the power x, which is equal to 3 plus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Now let's take the LCM. We have 3 3s are 9 plus 2 by 3 to the power 3, which is equal to 11 by 3 to the power 3. So this can be written as 11 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 using the formula a by b whole to the power m equal to a to the power m b to the power m. So what we have here is 11 cube divided by 3 cube, and 11 cube is, let's see, 11 square multiplied by 11, which is 121 multiplied by 11. So 11 ones are, we have 11, 11 twos are 22 plus 1 is 23. 11 ones are 11 plus 2 is 13. So 1331 divided by 3 cube is 27. So let's see, answer is option B, 1331 by 27.